how to turn raw clock in and clock out times into clean, payroll-ready hours. It takes 5 simple steps. Before any math, you need 2 things. First, the exact start and end time for every shift, including split shifts or off-site work. Second, a rounding policy. The Fair Labor Standards Act lets you round to the nearest 5, 10, or 15 minutes, as long as it's fair and consistent. So a clock in at 8:03 rounds down to 8 o'clock and 8:08 rounds up to 8:15. Set that rule once and apply it to everyone. Step 1. Convert each time to military time, the 24-hour clock. This is the trick that kills AM and PM confusion before it starts. Morning times stay the same, so 9:15 a.m. is just 9:15. For anything in the afternoon, add 12 to the hour, so 1 p.m. becomes 1300, and 4:30 p.m. becomes 1630. Now every shift is on one clean scale you can actually subtract. Step 2. Subtract the start time from the end time to get the total length of the shift. Say someone clocks in at 8 o'clock and clocks out at 16:30. End minus start gives you 8 hours and 30 minutes, or 8.5 hours. That's the gross shift length. We haven't touched breaks yet, and that's the next step. It's where most people overpay. Step 3. Take out any unpaid break time so you don't pay for hours nobody worked. Most unpaid meal breaks run at least 30 minutes. So take that 8.5-hour shift, subtract a half-hour lunch, and you're left with 8 hours actually worked. This one step is the difference between an accurate paycheck and quietly overpaying on every single shift. Step 4, and this is the one everyone fumbles. Convert leftover minutes into a decimal because payroll runs on decimal hours, not minutes. The rule is simple. Divide the minutes by 60. 30 minutes divided by 60 is 0.5, so 7 hours and 30 minutes becomes 7.5. 15 minutes is 0.25. Now your hours are in a format payroll can multiply by a pay rate. Finally, add up each day's decimal hours to get the weekly total. That total is what flags over time, confirms your records, and feeds straight into payroll. Doing this by hand works, but it's slow and easy to fumble across a whole team. QuickBooks Time tracks the clock-ins and converts everything to payroll-ready hours for you. Check the link below to see how it works.